Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Finding the return value of this Java method is actually super simple if you follow these quick steps. Let's solve this problem right now. First, look at how the code initializes the variables found and result. It starts by setting found to the very first element and result to 0 before the loops begin. Next, the nested loops iterate through every single row and column. The inner loop uses the variable y to track the current column index as it checks each individual value. When a larger value is found, the code updates result to equal y. Since y is the column index, option E is our final answer. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush by watching signs and always trust the given code steps.